Now, something I didn't expect just happened, and I'll walk you through the exact settings a bit later, but I didn't expect this scanning technology using the Kiri engine app on iOS with an M5 chip to be good at small things. But yeah, have a look. This is the object, alright? I'm just trying to build retaining clips for this mid-range driver. It's upside down. Just check out that pole. Like, holy frig. Check out the hole, magnet hole. Check out the retention clips of the magnet. Check out my solder joints. Like, I can design a piece in here easy. A little retention clip. It just pressure fits this bit of masking tape and this bit of masking tape. Goes across with a little triangular winch. Doesn't block the hole. And job's done. And I can even build the standoffs up to these standoffs so that it fits the bottom of the cabinet that it's going in. That is freaking crazy. This has to be, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters max. Look at the width of those clips. They're just here. Look, I bet you didn't even know I just jumped from the iPad to the real thing. It's crazy. So the settings are, you're in Kiri engine. How does it open? It opens like this. Kiri engine. You get plus. New LiDAR scan. You do scene is good for, I don't know what, I haven't tried it yet, but object is where it's all at. Object capture. Now, if you can't get in close to something, scratch that. I'm in LiDAR scan, object capture. It'll ask you, that's the right area, it'll ask you to hold it up for 1 second, and then it'll show you more options. And the more options are, let's see, it's gone away. Object mode or area mode. Area mode is like doing the B pillar or the footwell, that sort of thing. Now, I just did object mode again, and instead of, I may as well start another one. It's going to look for an object, and it draws a box. And instead of drawing the box around this whole speaker unit, I just manually drew the box, which I can't do with one hand. Manually drew the box just around the bit I wanted, like that, and I made sure it all lined up everywhere. And you can actually walk around it and adjust your box. And then I even knew that I couldn't get, with this lighting rig, I couldn't get on the backside, but I did 3/4 of the way around every time, and it said, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" I said yes, and it flip the object, and I said no, I can't. It said, "Are you sure?" No, I can't. And then it says, "Oh, do it at a lower angle." So I did it again, lower angle, 3/4 around, and then it says, "Oh, you better do the top again." I said, "Okay, do the top again, 3/4 of the way around." And every time I do 3/4 of the way around, it says, "Oh, you have to complete the segment." You go, "Continue anyway," and I got this. And eventually, yeah. So that's the one I just started, which was incomplete. But no, that's the one that was incomplete. This is the one that's complete. Look at this. And it even caught this neighbouring object here, which this is the infill pattern of the thing beside it, with its valleys and stuff like that. Here's the valleys. Crazy. Alright, it's out, over and out with that one, and enjoy.